You've probably heard people say solar takes up too much land. That's just totally wrong, and it's missing the entire point. Not because land doesn't matter, but because that's not where the real opportunity is. We're already surrounded by solar surface area, buildings, warehouses, data centers, even highway sound barrier walls. All of it sitting in the sun every single day, doing nothing. That's the part nobody's talking about. And that's exactly what BIPV is starting to solve. BIPV stands for Building Integrated Photovoltaics. And the concept is simple. Instead of installing solar on top of buildings, the solar becomes part of the building itself. I'm talking about the materials used to construct the building, things like exterior cladding, architectural panels, glass facades, and balcony railings. Those materials can actually be designed to generate electricity. So instead of installing an exterior wall, you install a solar exterior wall. Instead of decorative panels, you install power generating panels. Suddenly, the building itself becomes part of the energy infrastructure while looking amazing at the same time. And that opens up a huge opportunity. Think about a typical office tower. Most people assume the only place solar can go is the roof. But buildings actually have huge amounts of vertical surface area exposed to sunlight. On taller buildings especially, the exterior walls can represent several times more solar surface area than the roof. And unlike rooftop solar, building integrated solar can generate power from multiple sides of the structure. With BIPV technology, those vertical surfaces can generate electricity, which means solar isn't limited by land anymore. And it's not limited by rooftops either. Now entire city skylines can generate power. Office buildings, universities, hospitals, government buildings, apartment towers, and even older buildings that are being renovated. That's right. One of the most exciting opportunities with BIPV is retrofitting existing buildings. I mean, think about it. Across North America, there are millions of commercial buildings that are 20, 30, 40, 50 plus years old. Many of them are already due for facade upgrades or exterior renovations. Instead of installing traditional materials during those upgrades, developers can install solar cladding systems that generate electricity while also serving as the exterior building envelope. So you're not adding solar as an extra cost. You're replacing material that had to be installed anyway with one that produces energy for the next 25 or 30 years. Now, think about that massive growth we're seeing in data centers and distribution warehouses, Amazon-type fulfillment centers, logistics hubs, AI data centers. These facilities consume enormous amounts of electricity, and they also have huge exterior surface areas, not just rooftops, but massive exterior walls that just sit in the sun all day. BIPV technology allows those buildings to generate a meaningful portion of their own power simply through their exterior design. There's a company doing some really interesting work in this space called Mitrex. Mitrex is the leader in building integrated solar technology, and they're developing solar products that can replace traditional construction materials. For example, their solar facade systems can replace exterior cladding on buildings. Instead of installing standard siding or panels, developers just install solar panels that are designed to match architectural materials like stone, brick, metal, wood textures, or even custom artwork. Architects don't have to sacrifice the look of the building to incorporate solar. Mitrex has solar technologies for balcony railings, for glass facades, and even highway sound barriers. And they're deploying this technology right now. If you want to learn more about their tech, check them out at mitrex.com. And that brings me to one of the most interesting applications by Mitrex, which is along highways. I mean, you've probably seen these tall sound barrier walls along interstates designed to reduce traffic noise for nearby communities. Now imagine if those barriers could also generate electricity. Instead of passive infrastructure, those walls could become long linear solar power plants running along transportation corridors. The same concept could even be applied to fencing around data centers, manufacturing facilities, and industrial parks, turning those perimeters into power generators. Every surface touched by sunlight becomes an opportunity for power generation. I mean, when you step back and think about it, BIPV completely changes how we think about solar. Solar isn't just something you install on a roof. It becomes part of architecture, infrastructure, and urban design. Buildings can generate electricity. Infrastructure can generate electricity. Entire cities can become distributed power systems. And the best part? No additional land use, no new footprint, just smarter design. So the next time someone says solar takes up too much land or that solar can't work in cities, it's worth remembering that the future of solar isn't just on rooftops or in solar farms. The future of solar is built directly into the world around us, and companies like Mitrex are helping make that future possible. If you want to learn more about what they're doing with building integrated solar technology, check them out, mitrex.com. We'll catch you next one.